Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create your store on Shopify for tech gadgets and accessories business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. You can skip all this if you want, and let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store here and go to the themes where you can change them if you want and customize them. So for example, I'm gonna just skip the down theme. You can choose whatever you want, just add it and wait to install the theme. So once the theme is installed, you can publish it and you can customize it on your home page. So like this, now you can customize it. So it will take you to your homepage store. So here you can change the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. Now this is the settings where you can design your style here, your homepage store. First here we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme if you want. You can show separate line. You can show icons on desktop. You can turn this on, auto change announcements. You can enable country and region selector. Also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can pass the link or search for something. I'm gonna select all collections. Let's get back and let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header, and also you can show separate line. You can change the color scheme. You can change the menu color scheme. Here you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. Here you can edit the spacing in this section, the section padding, the top and the bottom. And also you can manage the same settings. Here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram. So that's it. Let's move on to the logo. Here you have to select your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. For example, I'm gonna choose this. This is just for example. Of course you have to upload it from your library. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. You can change it at any time. Here you can change this the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the image banner. So here we have the first image and the second image, and also here if you want to edit the image overlay opacity, for example, let's select some image from the browser. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can add the second image if you want. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here you can change the banner height. You can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. Here you can change the color scheme, the image behavior. You can turn this on, stack image on mobile and show container on mobile. So let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the heading. So here generate the text, just describe what this text is about. can edit the form of the text here. Here you can change the heading size. So let's get back. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change, if you want to change the first button label, or if you want to change the first button link. If you already added the second image, here you can add the second button label and the second button link, and you can use the outline button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the featured collection. So here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Gadgets, tech gadgets, like this. So for example this, you can change the heading size from here. You can generate the description. Here you can show collection description from the admin. Also you can change the description style. You can change the collection. Here you can make products for width. You can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. So that's it. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. Here you can manage the products card. You can show second image on hover and show vendor, show product region, show quick add button. You can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. After you're done from this, if you want to add something new on your home page, click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page here as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. So here we have the footer. You can change the color scheme, you can manage the email sign up, you can show email sign up. Here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Okay, you can enable follow on shop. So that's it. After you're done from design your website, now you have to save this and get back to the home page, the dashboard. So here, after you import your first product and after you customize your online store, the next step is name your store. You can name whatever you want to name here. You can add your store phone, and here you can change your store email. So that's it. Now let's save this like this. Now you can add the custom domain and add the sharing details. So after this, you can just launch your online store, pick a plan, and after this you can remove your store password. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.